Hello, welcome to a new video on SAGEMATH. In this video we discuss some problems related to GCD. First problem is find the GCD of two numbers consisting of 4 or more digits using Euclidean algorithm. Specifically it is stated that not using GCD function in SAGEMATH, but you have the GCD function in SAGEMATH. Using that function you can directly find without any difficult steps. By avoiding difficult steps you can find GCD directly, but here it is asked to avoid GCD function, or by using the Python steps. Actually, the logic of programming, using the complete logic of programming and using Python codes, you have to type the entire program, the complete program, to obtain the GCD, and that is the question. Express the GCD as a, and after that express GCD as a linear combination of the integers using the built-in SAGEMATH function. Okay, and for that you can first you have to define the two numbers, given numbers. Two numbers will be given initially to find its derivative. To find its GCD. Those numbers are, for example, here a equal to 5643 and b is equal to 4321. Then you have to after giving the two numbers, after defining these two numbers by choosing two variables, a and b as the variable, are selected as variables, and the variable locations are stored by these two numbers. Now you can start the step while. This while command is then used. While after that, in bracket true, you can give the value true. While true, while the logical value is true, then you have a loop here. In that loop will be implemented. Yes, as long as that the value, the logical value is true, the loop will be executed. So while after typing this, you don't forget that the colon. You don't forget to put that colon there. You have to use the colon. Okay. After that, you can use this r equal to a percentage b. A new variable is declared, and that is stored with the value of a percentage, the answer of a percentage b, r equal to a percentage b. Then another variable q equal to b minus r. B minus r divided by a is the news. Then the step print, this command print is used to display these values. Print a comma in bracket a comma, then it's a character. In double quotation you can use equals and comma b and double quotation x, and then and that stands for into here, into this x, and then comma q, and then to display plus you can use that in double quotation, and then comma r, bracket you can close. Then if r equal to 0, if the value of r equal to 0, then you don't forget to put this colon after that if statement. Then you have, when leaving a tab, after while you have to give a tab here. That tab must be given for all the 4 lines, for all these 4 steps. After that, one more tab is double tabbing is given. One more tab is given, and then you have to give break, and then else. One step backward. You have to go one step backward, and then else you can type then colon, and then a b, and this is a step in which the values are exchanged between a and b. the values of existing values of A and B are changed to B and A. Value of A will be changed to B, or B will be stored at the location of A, and the value after that, the location B will be filled with R. The value R will be stored at the location of B. Then you can use this step GCD of GCDAB. Actually, it's a variable. GCDAB is a variable, and that variable location will be filled by the value of B. GCDAB equal to B. After that, you can print. Finally, you can type this statement to print the GCD of the number AB. GCD, that means GCD AB. So print in quotation mark, you have to type GCD is then comma you can use the variable, that variable in which the GCD actual final value of GCD is stored. So these steps you can so all the steps you can type one by one in the in a single in a single SAGEMATH window or SAGEMATH input box. You can type all these B and B. If another set of values are given, then what you can do, then you can replace this number by that set of numbers. The same program you can use, but for obtaining GCD of another set of numbers, you have to replace the numbers. 4321, you have to check whether it is correctly typed. Okay, and then you can copy this while statement. Actually, you have to type the while statement. Okay, then see, you can see that tabbing is given automatically. It gives that system recognizes that it is a while statement, and then tabbing is given. You don't alter that tabbing which is given by the system automatically. Then R equal to, that statement can be copied. But there it is not coming correctly, so you have to give that percentage directly. You have to type the percentage R equal to R equal to a percentage B. Next, the same tabbing continue. It gives continuously, it gives that same tabbing. Okay, after that we use this, but while using that, you must take care don't make any mistake. Print then A comma, and this quotation inside that quotation, it's better to replace it by the double quotation. Okay, a double quotation, and then you can use equal to. Okay, then comma B comma, this underscore is a wrong thing. B then comma. Okay, after that we can use double quotation in it you can type that in capital X, then come outside of. Okay, cancel that. Okay, then again put another comma, then what is the quantity, then Q comma, so we use Q comma, then we want to use that plus symbol, plus. Okay, then comma R. Here. After that, so that was a lengthy step. Then if R equal to 0, if R equals 0, double equal to must be given if R equal to 0. Okay, then colon, you have to give the colon. After that, see, after that it gives that extra tabbing. The system, it recognizes that situation and it gives that extra tabbing. But that break, after that break, you have to get back. One step you have to get back, Okay, now you can use else, that else statement. After else, you get that correctly. You have to give the colon. Then it gives the tabbing, the required tabbing. Okay, then you have A comma B equals B comma R. Yeah, that's an important step. You don't alter the position of the variables in there. So always study it. You make it by heart. A comma B equals B comma R. B comma R. A B equal to B comma R. A comma B equal to B R. Then okay, come back to the first position margin. You have to cancel both the tabs. So you have to type it here, GCD AB equals B. After that, final step to print the output. Print this is that inside that the GCD is then comma GCD AB. Okay, now we can take that we can now take okay, I think there is now that program is now correctly completed. As the program is correctly completed, we get that that output. So the GCD is 1. That's the last step. The last step, since we get in the second last step, we get 1 as the remainder. You can see that GCD is equal to 1. So this can be used to find the GCD of any number. So the same program can be used, but with the change that the number must be replaced here. The given numbers, 2 numbers will be given. These numbers should be substituted here for A and B, and then after substitution, you can retype all the remaining steps to obtain the GCD of the 2 given numbers. Okay, then find the Bessort's identity coefficients. Find the Bessort's identity coefficient. Then if GCD of AB equal to AX plus BY, so that is you have to type the GCD of A and B, and this is the command GCD function that is available with the SAGEMATH to obtain the GCD. You can directly use it to obtain the GCD. Okay. uh, then x and y are the Bessor's identity coefficients. Okay, you can um, so to obtain the Bessor's identity coefficient, see the command can be okay, this can be used, this is the program that can be used to obtain okay, used to obtain that Bessor's identity coefficients. Okay, so the numbers can be typed first, then you can use the command xgcd of ab to obtain the coefficients. GCD will be typed first, and then you can refer that the same numbers are used. So okay, that and then you get that in the output 1984 and minus 2591. And you can see that according to Bessor's identity, the GCD can be written equal to a into x plus b into y, a into x plus b into y. And here the x and y are the new quantities. A and b are the given quantities, given numbers, and x and y are the new quantities whose values we want to obtain. So here a equal to 56 and 43, and b is the number x is the number 1984, and that is obtained by using 1984, obtained by using using the command, using this command. And then we have minus next y value. Y value is minus minus of 2591. Okay, that will be then used here using actually, and this answer is obtained by using this step. Print d equals, print d equals, okay, then a comma d equals a comma then x, and this is the step that will give you this output. Okay, but before that you have to understand the meaning of this list command. Only this list creates it handles, this command handles the list which contains the value of the values of or the three values. First value is the GCD, the GCD value of the two given numbers, and then second value is the x value, x which is used, which is to be used here, the x value and the y value. And so d, x and y, these three values are listed here using this command. then you can use that value, listed value dxy. See, dxy, that listed numbers can be used here to prepare the final answer. So the main steps are these three are the first three steps, first main steps. After that, this you can use these are the repetitions. You can xgcd, and this command can be used, and then this xgcd actually creates this list. Xgcd creates the list. Okay, now we can demonstrate that. We can demonstrate the use of those steps. Okay, A and B are there already. Anyway, we have to we can repeat it. A, then B, type B, then you can obtain xgcd. You can type xgcd then bracket a comma b. After that you just take the output, then it will display the output. Okay, 1, the GCD, and then the x value and then y value are displayed. X and y are displayed. After that you can type this, because all those steps we have completed. Okay, now you can type d comma x comma y. Use that d comma x comma y equals dxy equals a list of xgcd then ab. Okay, that is then followed by, you can just implement that, can apply that line and check whether it is, that will help you to check whether there is any error. After each step, after typing each step, you can just you can you can check whether there is any error applying or by implementing that line. Now you can copy this. That line can be typed. The chance of error is there because that print, in that statement, print then D, print only D must be there. Print D, okay, equals. After that, A must be A. Then there must be A, then comma. Before that also, comma must be given. Yeah, and that after that, so the quotation capital X can be used. Okay. Then capital X. Okay, what is X here? Okay, a small x can be used then. Small x, then plus comma, then you have to then we can type plus inside quotation, double quotation. Double quotation should be used. After that you can use a comma, then you can use b x in quotation y, and b comma inside quotation put x comma y. Okay, when we copy that statement, many new numbers and unnecessary things appear there. So you have to that's why I retyped it. This quantity also can be replaced by the actual by using the typing method. By direct typing we can enter that, because otherwise it may cause some error. Okay, that is now complete. The typing is complete. I think it is correct. After completing the typing, you can take the output. Yeah, no error there. We have obtained that the final answer 1 equal to, this is not I, this is 1 equal to the given number a into x. A into this x stands for a into, so that is given here inside that double quotation. So a into x. So this is this form is followed here. So here we have d. D is the GCD first types it prints first GCD equal to. This equal to will be given by using that equal to symbol inside the double quotation, and GCD equal to, then a will be typed here. After that, a into will be directly copied from here, and then x into x will be typed here, actual value of x, then plus symbol is given, and then b will be typed here, actual value of b. After that, into will be typed, then y value will be typed here. So this is the method to express that the GCD of two given numbers using Bessort's identity. In the form of Bessort's identity. Okay. Next, if you suppose you are given another set of numbers, you can replace this number. You can retype this the number here, and after that you can copy everything step by step in new input cells, and you can finally take the output. Okay. Thank you for listening. Thank you.